Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's having trouble duplicating this and rotating it around using the Control D and the dimension tool. So I'm just going to start from scratch because he explained to me how he made it. It's a pretty clever idea. I like it. But you can see as I move it, all the Gaussian blur is what the problem is. So what he did, he took a triangle with basically a three-sided polygon and drew a line down it and used the Smartfill tool to fill it. Okay, whenever that happens, there's something unseen. Let's look at it under wireframe. Yep, there's a box right there. Let's get rid of it. So let's go back to view and enhance. So whenever you have something blocked, it's because something's there. So what he's doing, he's taking this and he's actually left clicking, right clicking. Let me put this more in the center of the page. Then he's going to effects and contour. I've already done this. So I've got it set on a 1/2 inch. I'm going to break the contour apart and I'm going to move this over here and I'm going to fill it in with white and take away the background. I'm going to take this one, fill it in with that same color and take away the outline. Now I'm going to move this back. So then you grab the white, which is the last thing you've touched, so it's in CMYK because I'm using his file. Go to Effects and Gaussian Blur and get this blur effect. So then let's group all this together, Control G and then Control D and duplicate it. And let's move it to that point and let's rotate it a -30 degrees. Okay, and then we Control D again, but look where it goes. Okay, so you have to go back, Control D, make sure the rotation's there, and go to 300 degrees. But watch what happens when we go again. It goes off kilter. It's because of the fact that the Gaussian blur is causing the problem. So with just one copy, double click on it and put your rotation here on that node. Let's open up under Windows, Dockers, and transform, or yours might say transformation. We're going to rotate it 30 degrees 11 times. There's actually 12, but we've already got one. And whenever Corel says copies, it's meaning that it's using that one. Now it's going to take just a second when I hit apply, but it's going to do the job and rotate everything around because it's having to think a lot. But there you go. And there's the same pattern that we had. I actually created that when he was telling me what he did, but he was telling me how the Control D making a duplicate just wasn't working for him and he was having a lot of problems with it. And this, when you get used to using this is very helpful, the transformation Docker. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday and thank you for watching.